I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone! Hello universe! It's me again. Siyempre, mayroon tayong updates, video, info. Shoutout sa mga Marcos Loyalist supporters Filipino and OFW. O yan guys ha. Siyempre alam nyo naman tayo dito. Simple lang ang content natin pero malaman. Naks naman. Today is January 26, 2026. Oh, M goes. Ito. Nakita nyo yan? Oh, banyaga. Kasi talagang banyaga talaga. Pero guys, malas niya lang. Bakit? Alerto talaga ang ating mga autoridad, lalo na sa Bureau of Customs. Kahit saan terminal, kahit saan port yan, ito po ang tumambad sa banyagang ito. Basahin po natin para kompleto, detalyado. Sabi po ng Bureau of Customs dito, mga kababayan. Ayan o. BOC News Today, BOC na iya. Foils. Ano? Foils? Ayan, 40.8 million. Agay! Hoy. Ayan, kontrabando guys sa NAIA Terminal 3. Ayan na. Hindi ko na po binanggit yung totoong pangalan pero nakikita nyo sa aking screen dahil napaka-stricto ni YouTube guys. In line with the President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive to strengthen border protection and intensify the government's anti-drug campaign, the Bureau of Customs Ninoy Aquino International Airport, which is ang BOC NAIA, in coordination with the Philippines Drugs Enforcement Agency, which is ang PDEA and NAIA, ayan, Interagency Drugs Interdiction Task Group, NAIA, ay DITCG, more than 6 kilograms, agay, kontrabando yan guys from an arriving passenger at NAIA Terminal 3 on January 26, 2026. Nako mga kababayan, hindi lang yan, mayroon pa. Ang dami nito guys I hope ma-spread ito ni YouTube natin. No, the passenger was subjected to inspection following a derogatory information received by the authorities. Upon arrival, the passenger's personal belongings were screening through X-ray examination and subsequently subject to the 100% physical examination, which lead to the discovery of approximately 6,006 grams of alam nyo naman yan guys, ayan hindi ko nababasahin, ayan ayan, concealed inside the luggage with the standards value of 40,840,800 pesos. Woohoo! Ang dami yan mga kababayan, 40 million, biro nyo yun, matindi kachong, pero wala kang kawala, kulungan ang kalalagyan mo, sigurado yan. The seized substances and the passengers were turned over to the PDEA for inquest proceeding for violation of Republic Act number 9165, Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 as amended, and Republic Act number 10863, Customs Modernization and Tariff Act, agay. BOC Commissioner Aliano Posimo emphasized the importance of coordination border enforcement, stating this successful interception highlights the effectiveness of intelligence sharing and joint operation in stopping. Ayan. Ito. Stopping at our ports of entry. The Bureau remains firm in protecting our borders and communities. District Collector Attorney Yasmin Omaba likewise underscored our frontliner and partner agencies remain dedication in ensuring that our airports are not exploited by drug traffickers. BOC NAIA will continue to strengthen in its enforcement measures and interagency coordination. BOC NAIA commits to continuously enforcement custom and anti-drugs law in support of the national government campaign. 2. Ayan, safeguard public safety and national security. Agay, hindi ko na pinakita guys ang kanyang itsura at ang kanyang luggage. Ito guys ay nakalagay sa luggage, no? Bakit kaya reckless itong taong ito, no? Hindi niya ba alam na napaka-stricto ng Pilipinas government sa mga ganitong klaseng kontrabando? Ilalagay mo ba naman sa pinaka ano niya? Of course, madidetect yun. Nasa ganyan ang nagagawa ng ang sensya ngayon guys. Nasa modern world na tayo. Wala na tayo sa old. 'Di ba? Kaya nadidetect lahat kung ano ang mga kung ika nga yung mga ibig sabihin nadidetect lahat yung mga maliliit na particles sa loob ng baggage or luggage bag o arno pa yan. Kahit sa katawan mo nga kayang i-detect lang yan. 'Di ba? Maraming nangyaring ganyan. Hindi lang yan mga kababayan. Ito pa. Kita nyo, na-late lang Na-late lang ako, BOC. Naiya. Intercept 480,000 worth of, alam nyo na. In line of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Directive to strengthen border. Ayan, protection, intensify the government's. Ayan, anti. Alam nyo na. Ayan, di ba? Campaign, the Bureau of Customs, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, which is ang BOC, in coordination with the Philippines National Enforcement Agency, PDEA, and the NAIA Interagency, Drug Interdiction Task Group, goes. Intercepted an inbound parcel containing, alam nyo na, with the total estimated street value of 480,400 in Pasay City. In January 16, 2026. Agay. Yan. Grabe, matindi ito. Ilang grams yan? Ayan, the parcel declared and accessories of candies, was the subjected to physical examination of exhibiting suspicious indicators. Inspection revealed approximately 320 grams of dried. Alam nyo na, si Mary Jane. With the estimated street value of 480,000. Agay. As well as 8 vape cartridge containing alam nyo na. Ito, 400. Ayun, naku po. Yan ang sinasabi natin, mga kababayan. Ito pa. Hindi pa tapos dyan. Ayan, i-updates nga natin ito. Alam nyo ba, mula January to December 2025, kung ilan ang nakumpiska ng Marcos administration na mga kontrabando. Mga kababayan, ayan ito. Sabi po dito ng BOC in action as a part of its intensified and sustained campaign against, alam nyo na, the Bureau of Customs, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, which is ang BOC na recorded total, total, apprehension value at more than 1.125 billion from January to 25. Biro nyo yun. Ang tindi, di ba? Grabe. Yung sa panahon ni Digong, walang ganyan, guys. Real talk po yan. Grabe, 1 billion, biro nyo yun. This interdiction, in close coordination with the NAIA Interagency, lahat itong mga nakumpiska ito po ay sinunog 'di ba? Sinira to Kumbaga, sinunog yata. Doon sa pinakita ko sa inyo, may video tayo diyan Pinasok sa malaking ano ba tawag doon? Na forget ko na. Basta yun na yun. Yes, this interdiction in close coordination with the NAIA Interagency Drug Interdiction Task Force, NAIA IADITG, lead to the seizure of 778.90 million alongside other, guys, hindi ko babasahin na, including the party, Mary Jane, at saka, alam nyo yung Coke, worth of, magkano? 346.478 million ang halaga. Kalok. Ang tindi nito, guys. Alam nyo, swerte talaga natin na mayroon tayong pangulo. Lahat talagang nakamonitor, talagang alerto pagdating dito. Yung mga autoridad natin, saludo tayo sa kanila. Oh, ayan heightened inspection and intelligence-driven operation at the country's primary international gateway, direct support the national anti-illegal drugs campaign of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ang pinaka-the best dito, guys, dito sa campaign ng War on Drugs ng Marcos administration, wala pong namatay. Oo, walang EGK. Nakaw, talaga naman. Malinis, grabe. Diyan ka lang bilib eh. Pero si Digo nga gay. Kaya ang kapalit tuloy, kulong. O diba? Oh. This, sabi niya, enforcement initiatives are likewise aligned with the directives of Commissioner Ariel F. Nepomuceno to further strengthening the Bureau, intensified antay. Ayan, alam nyo na. Yung kampanya laban dito sa kontrabando na ito ng Marcos administration. Dito siguro ko masasabi, guys, na talagang the best. No? Talagang nililimas lahat eh. Oh, you see? Kaya, pinya mga dapat leader ang ating pipiliin. 'Di ba? BOC Naya under the leadership of District Collector Attorney Yasmin O. Mapa continues to demonstrate its unwavering commitment to safeguarding public safety, dismantle transitional drug. Ay, yan o. Sabi dito mga kabayo, ulitin ko, na BOC Naya under the leadership of District Collector Attorney Yasmin O. Mapa continues to demonstrate its unwavering commitment to safeguarding public safety, dismantling transitional, network, and securing the nation borders. Grabe, congratulations sa Marcos administration. Grabe, tindi guys, oh. Bureau of Custom Collection District 3 NAIA strengthening borders protection against January to December 2025. Ayan, oh. 1.125 billion ang halaga at total value of apprehended agay. OMGOs. Ayan, oh. 778.90 million. Ayan. Yung mga coke at saka mga, alam nyo na, yung mga tawas. Ayan. Hindi ko na binanggit. Tapos ito naman sa mga, yung mga Meridian, 348.478 million ang halaga ang nakumpiska. OMGOs. Ayan, mga best. Grabe, ano? So, yun, mga kababayan, ang aking pinaka-latest updates sa inyo. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next upload. Bye-bye and baboos. God bless. Philippines. There's more, guys. Follow me and likes. Bye.